Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery in this old Chevy Silverado key fob here. It works for these models. You don't need any fancy tools, you just need only one battery like this 2032, and you can find this battery everywhere, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is right here at the bottom, you need to turn the fob like this. This here is the bottom here, and you see this small hole right here. Now you need to insert the tip of the flat screwdriver right in this hole and twist it a little bit, and when you do that you can very easily separate this fob into two pieces like this. Now when you separate the fob into two pieces like this, right on this side you see your old dead battery over here. Now to remove the battery, take again the flat screwdriver, insert it here and just push the battery outside like this right here. Now when you insert the new battery, make sure it's with the negative side here facing up, so place it back in its place over here. And when you insert the battery like this, take these two pieces again, make sure you align them perfectly like this, all corners to match, and just snap them together. Now when you snap them together, right after that your key will be ready here. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.